Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find Coinbase account number. So without wasting much of our time, let's get on with our video. Before starting, let me tell you that Coinbase accounts don't actually have a traditional account number like a bank account. For security reasons, Coinbase does not display an account number within your account settings or anywhere on the platform. Instead, Coinbase identifies your account using your email address. Launch open your web browser and then go to the URL box and type in coinbase.com. Also make sure to sign into your Coinbase account like you normally do. After you're logged into your Coinbase account, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. You will then be able to see your name and your email address displayed on the screen. When you need to contact Coinbase support or provide account identification, you can use your email address associated with your Coinbase account. So that is how you will be able to find your Coinbase account number. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.